Hi guys, SJ here at Champion Trader HQ, and thanks for visiting our website today and for taking the next step towards becoming a wealthy and prosperous Forex trader with the Money Expert Advisor. Okay, so as you've probably already seen in our main website, this Expert Advisor could make you some really serious money, just like the backtest results you can see on your screen there, all of which were generated over the course of a full trading year, over a full 12-month period, and using our optimal or high risk settings. And if you want the PDF reports, you want to see those detailing all the above backtests and all the trades taken during that period, all using the highest quality tick data available, they can be downloaded again in our main website. Now, there are of course no carved in stone guarantees, unfortunately, when it comes to trading, but those those backtest results, I would say they're a very good representation as to what the Money Expert Advisor could potentially deliver. So look, if you're tired of continually losing money on different biz ops, different programs, plans, schemes and such like, and the opportunity to generate yourself an extra few hundred or even an extra few grand a month or more on hands-free autopilot, if the idea of doing that appeals to you, then here's what you need to do right now. Okay, connect with me today. That's the first step, and you can do that via Telegram, Skype, email, or by Facebook Messenger. You'll find all my contact details and links below this video. And when we connect, let me know your demo account or your real money MT4 trading account number if you have one. Okay, let me know them if you have one, and then my tech team, they can get to work. They can generate your unique EA trading license for you. Now, if you don't yet have an MT4 account, that's not a problem either. That's because when we connect, I'll give you instant access to our Champion Trader Academy VIP back office website, which I'll tell you more about shortly. Okay, and once you're in there, once you're in the Academy back office, you can follow along with the simple steps. Open your trading account, download your MT4 trading platform quickly and easily, and then get hold of your all-important MT4 account number. And that's what we'll need before we can get going. It'll normally take you just a few minutes to get all that done and dusted. Now, typically within around 24 hours of us receiving your MT4 account number, my tech team, they'll send you your personalized copy of the Money EA trading robot. At that point, you can then add it to your MT4 trading chart. Just drag and drop it on there, and then just turn it on and fire it up, and you can start making money right out of the gate. So you just set it and forget it, simple as that. I've also done a quick video that you can follow along with, so you'll be able to add the EA to your trading chart quickly and easily. And unlike most other EAs out there, most of which we've kind of seen and tested over the years, where you're given 50 different settings and you're told to adjust them, or you're told to kind of play around with them for months on end to see what happens. Well, we don't do any of that. Instead, the very best and the most profitable settings to use, they will already be added to the Money EA as default, so you'll be good to go right out of the box. No messing around. Following on from that, everything that you need to know in order to get yourself up and running and into profit within the shortest possible time, that'll all be fully covered in audio and video format in your password protected VIP Trading Academy website, just like I mentioned a little earlier. Now, everything is going to be covered in there from A to Z, as you can see there on your screen. Everything from initially opening your trading account, downloading your trading platform, funding your account, adding the EA to your trading chart, There's FAQs in there and a bunch of other stuff too. It's all in there. And of course, expert backup and support, that will be made available to you at all times should you need it. Now, in addition, your VIP back office, it will also include links to our recommended Forex brokers for both US and Canadian traders, and actually for all other traders worldwide. So wherever you are, US, Canada, UK, anywhere in Europe, Australia, etc., wherever you are, we will have a broker that can help you get set up and trading. These are the best brokers out there, by the way. Safe, secure, regulated, and they also have the lowest spreads and the highest leverage. That's exactly what we need. So yes, we've got everything covered. We've left no stone unturned, and like I say, I'll give you instant access to your VIP Academy back office website when we connect. Okay, and remember too, with our 100% risk-free 30-day trial, okay, you'll have a full 30 days in which to test drive the EA on your own PC or laptop, so you'll be able to see just how immensely profitable the EA really is. You'll be able to see for yourself, experience it for yourself on your own PC or laptop. So you actually get to put the EA to the test on a demo or on a real live account, and you can have it make you some real money even before you decide whether or not you want to continue. Okay, it's got to be the ultimate, a bit like QVC, it's got to be the ultimate try before you buy offer. Okay, no cost, no strings, no catches, no gimmicks, no obligation to proceed, and no credit card details needed to get the trial started. And then after your 30-day trial, or at any time during your trial, if you decide that you'd like to continue making money every day, you'll have the opportunity to purchase your full 12-month trading license for the Money EA, and you'll be able to do that at the discounted price of only $995 US, which is equal to around £725 or 850 euros. Now, the regular price of the EA, the regular price after our official launch in a few weeks' time, the regular price will be $1,995, 1995 US. So if you act now, you'll be able to lock in your $1,000 discount and pay just $995. And that works out the equivalent of just $2 to $3 a day, or just £2 to £3 a day, which is, in the big scheme of things, chump change really, especially when you're looking to start up any business venture. 995's a drop in the ocean. I mean, you could easily blow I've done this myself. You could easily blow through $1,000 or more in just a couple of weeks on a Facebook or a Google Ads campaign or a YouTube campaign, and still have very little or even nothing to show for it. So in reality, the $995 price tag, don't get hung up on it. That's the $995 price tag as it is right now, because the price is pretty irrelevant in the big scheme of things, especially when you compare it to the huge potential gains that you could be making over the next 12 months. And look, even if raising the $995 and initially funding your trading account, if that's still a bit of a stretch right now, you could always partner up with a friend or even a couple of friends, split the costs between you, and also split the profits you make as you go along. That's just an idea to throw out there if you need any help to get started. And let me just mention this important point too real quick, and just to clarify, the Money Expert Advisor, that's what you've been reading about and hearing about today. It is a 100% standalone product. That is to say that it's not part of a separate program, separate deal. It's not part of any network marketing or multi-level MLM deal. You make a one-time payment to purchase your annual trading license after your 30-day trial, just like I mentioned earlier. So, like I say, no monthly fees, no more stuff to buy, no left or right legs to fill, no matrix stuff, no monthly auto ships, and no additional fees required ever. And also, this is not a what they call a we trade for you or a trade copier service either. That's where your trading platform is kind of hooked up to a master trader's account, and it replicates all of their trades on your account. There's none of that. It's also not a signal service either. That's where you have numerous random trade signals sent to your email or to your phone at all hours of the day or night. Been there, done that. There's none of that too, and it's not a managed or a PAM account either, okay? Just to clarify, all the trading is done by the Money Expert Advisor, and that's done on your own MT4 trading platform and on your own PC or laptop. It's not controlled in any format by any outside third party, and more importantly, you will always have full 100% control of your money, which you can access or you can withdraw at any time. Okay, that's an important point to mention. You'll always have 100% control of your money, just like if you had it in a bank, and you can access it, withdraw some of it, withdraw all of it whenever you want at any time. Okay then, so just to tie everything up, if you need any more information or if you still have any questions regarding the Money EA or the actual getting started process, be sure to write all your questions down and we can go over them when we connect, okay? And remember, to get yourself fully up and running, all you need do, or all I need from you, is your demo or your real money MT4 trading account number. That gets the ball rolling. That's what I need to get everything started. Your demo account or your real money MT4 account, trading account number, and you'll be good to go. So lock arms with me today, connect with me today too. All my details are below this video, and get ready to generate yourself an amazing monthly income that can grow to literally any level you wish and enable you to make more money over the next 12 months than you ever thought possible. You know, there are no scams, no gimmicks. It's not too good to be true. There's no BS. No more dicking around. No more looking like the losers in these pictures here. Okay, there you go. Look at that for a happy bunch. And this is this is exactly what you need to avoid. You've probably been there before a few times. I think we all have at some point, but you definitely don't want to go back there. That's for sure. And with our 100% risk-free 30-day trial, the one that I keep banging on about, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. You don't even need to have any previous trading experience, because the Expert Advisor, the trading robot, that does all the trading for you around the clock, 24 hours a day. So we've literally taken the very long, the very boring and the very tedious learning curve. We've taken that out of the equation, so everyone can now trade with the Money EA on 100% hands-free autopilot and generate themselves an awesome income. And of course, at the end of the day, it's up to you. It's up to you to decide whether you want to take up the opportunity or whether you want to miss out. You're under no obligation either way. You're under no obligation to dramatically increase your current income, but you do have that option. And after all, being rich, just like being broke, it is a choice only you can make, okay? So look, message me today, get all your questions answered, and if you still have any, and let's get started, okay? And by the way, even though I've gone on for a fair bit longer than I had planned in this video, and that typically happens, but even though I've done that, this is still not a full overview of all the ins and outs of the EA or of the actual opportunity, even though it sure feels like it is at this point in time. So look, if you want the full caboodle, kitchen sink, chapter and verse on everything prior to deciding on your next step, or prior to deciding whether or not you want to take up the 30-day trial, that's fine, not a problem. Just hit the back button on your browser and you can go back to visit the main website, the main page, which I cobbled together a few months back. Everything's going to be covered in there. So I look forward to hearing from you real soon. I also look forward to helping you generate yourself a truly substantial income over the months and over the years ahead. So look, this is SJ here at Champion Trader HQ signing off finally. Thanks again for taking time out to visit our main website and for watching this video today, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.